Medicine may not actually help children with a cough at night. That's what researchers from Penn State's Hershey Medical Center showed. Doctors there say cough syrup doesn't actually help your child sleep. The FDA recommended parents stop giving it to children under 6 a few years ago.
The more serious side effects are particularly going to be under age 2, and they include convulsions, serious arrhythmias of the heart, and even death.
Pediatrician Dr. David Turkowitz says that there are things that you can do to treat cold symptoms, including taking acetaminophen, drinking lots of fluid, using saline nasal drops. He said that honey can actually be very helpful for children over the age of 1. The doctor also says those cough medicines aren't useful for adults either.